Hi, my name is Stefan Stöckl. I'm the Product Line Manager for Bus Systems at WAREMA. With the WAREMA KNX Service App, you can very easily perform firmware updates for WAREMA KNX Secure Actuators, the KNX Secure Weather Station Pro and the KNX Converter WMS directly over the bus connection. I'll show you in the following tutorial how to perform a firmware update in ETS6. For this, the KNX Service App must be installed and licensed in ETS. The WAREMA KNX Service App is located in the project window under Apps. For a quick overview and easy navigation, the app clearly displays the topology area structure of the existing KNX project. Devices for which the app functionality is not available are displayed as being grayed out. The app is split into different areas. In the firmware management area, you get an overview of the device's various software versions and can manually import firmware files if there's no online connection to the version server. To perform a firmware update, switch to the firmware update section. The cloud icon with a small check mark indicates that there is a connection to WAREMA's version server. You can easily access the current firmware versions through this server. Use the device type drop-down menu to filter the project by the different WAREMA KNX secure devices within the project. In order to perform an update, the device must be reachable on the bus and be physically addressed properly. In the first step of the firmware update, the device status is checked. WAREMA secure devices can be selected individually or all at once using the checkboxes depending on your needs. Clicking the Get Device State button will retrieve the current status and the exact firmware version for the selected devices. If multiple devices are selected, the app processes them one after the other. The second step is the actual update of the devices. After selecting the desired firmware via the Destination Firmware button, the update process starts with the loading process. Pausing or cancelling the process is possible, if necessary. The status bar shows information about the update and the expected duration. After a successful firmware update, the status indicator will turn green to visually indicate completion. If the update fails, you can access additional information via the Show Logs button. The WAREMA KNX Secure Weather Station Pro consists of a WAREMA Weather Station Pro and a KNX Secure Sensor interface. To allow you to manage firmware updates individually, both devices are displayed separately by opening the expanded view. The update process is identical to the other KNX Secure devices. After a successful update, the application must be loaded into the devices. Was the tutorial helpful? Then simply subscribe to the Sun and Licht Manager channel so you don't miss any further use case tutorials. Your feedback is always welcome in the comments.